Today we'll show you how to add gradient in Photoshop. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to Photoshop and go here, just click to this, okay, go and put this second, its name gradient. Okay guys, just click and like this, and here you can go to basic or you can choose like this. Maybe you are choose the first like this. Okay, so now you can here change the color like okay, like this, like a red, and like this is here a blue. Okay guys, maybe like this. Okay, so you want to be it's in the right and to the left, not to top to bottom. Okay, just click here and put here 0 0. Okay, so and here it's from the right to left. Okay, if you want to be the red in the right and the blue in the left, just click here and go here, and this go here, and now go here and go here. Okay guys, so don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.